we're going to use the big idea that there's 360 degrees in a full turn. So here I can see that I've already got 135 and 70. I'm going to show this as a bar. So I know that all of this bar is 360 and I've already got 135 and I've also got 70. So I want to know what's left, so I want to know what this is here. So I need to do 135, add 70, so 5 add 0 is 5, 3 add 7 is 10, that's going to be 2, so altogether I've got 205 here. So I want to work out what's missing, so I need to take it away from my 360 because I know that everything in this bar is going to add up to 360. So that's 360, take away 205, do my column method, 10 take away 5 is 5, 5 take away 0 is 5, 3 take away 2 is 1, so my answer is 155. And the reason for that answer is because there are 360 degrees in a full turn. So if a full turn is 360, then half a turn must be half of that, so 180. I'm going to use my bar again. So I know that everything on this line is going to add up to 180. I know that I've already got 121 on the line. So I need to do 180 take away 21 to figure out what's missing. Ten take away 1 is 9, 7 take away 2 is 5, 1 take away 1 is 0. So that missing one is 59. And again, the reason is because there are 180 degrees in half a turn or on a straight line. So we've just learnt there's 180 degrees on a straight line. So if I put a line here, so I know that this number plus this one, so those are the two that are on that straight line, must add up to 180. So if I do 180, take away 104, 10 take away 4 is 6, 7 take away 0 is 7, 1 take away 1 is 0, so I've got 76. So B is 76. And again, I've got another straight line here. So again, if I know that B is 76, I want to figure out A. I know that everything here is going to add up to 180, and I've already got 76. So I can do 180, take away that 76. 10 take away 6 is 4, 7 take away 7 is 0, 1 take away nothing is 1. So it's 104 again. Okay, so I could have done that, but you're probably noticing something. You're probably noticing how this angle here is equal to this one here. And yep, have a guess, this one here is equal to this one here. So when there's a cross, when two lines cross each other, that's what we call our vertically opposite. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So you've used that rule, and you've also used 180 degrees on a straight line. So we know that a half a turn is 180 degrees. So that means that a quarter of a turn must be half of that. It's 90 degrees, often represented by this box. So I know that both 57 and whatever P is, those both add up to 90 degrees. So I can do 90, take away 57 using inverse operations or bar modelling, however you want to do it. 10 take away 7 is 3, 8 take away 5 is 3, so my answer is 33. And you can say that it's a 90 degrees in a right angle. Or in quarter of a turn.